Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to divide in Excel. So basically right now we have done addition, subtraction. Now we are going to work on division. So it's very simple, same like addition and subtraction. You have to use the sign of division only, nothing else. So let's suppose there is amount of 100 dirham, rupees or dollar, whatever your currency is, and you want it to divide it into 10,000. What you have to do is you have to apply the formula of division. So 1000 divide 10,000, 0.01. So same time guys, I would like to mention the percentage formula also. So when you will multiply this one by 100, the percentage will show, that is 10%. Even you can mention here percentage also, but it will be wrong. If you are multiplying by 100, you have to multiply by 1, then it will become the same percentage. So even if you don't want to apply any multiplication, so what you will do is you will just use this sign of percentage. So it will show you that 100 is how much percentage of 10,000. So 10%, like 1000 is how much percentage of 10,000. So 10%. So it's very simple. I hope this video is informative for you guys, and kindly please share these videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.